This is another e-learning math choice, and it is complete these addition problems. You guys are addition experts, so I know you won't have a problem at all completing these, but I thought we could do them together. Looking at the very first one, it says 1 plus 2. Well, I'm going to use the strategy of my fingers. So I'm going to put 2 on this hand and 1 on this hand, and I'm going to say 1, 2, 3. My answer, 3. Well, this is easy peasy or tricky if you're not paying close attention. 4 plus 0. So if I have 4 on this hand, I need 0 on this hand, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, now I'm going to use another strategy. I'm going to use counting on. So I'm going to lock 3 in my head for this next one, 3 plus 1. So I'm going to go 3, 4. Good job. The next one is 2 plus 0. Well, 2 plus 0 is 2. Good job. How about 5 plus 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing on this hand. 5. 1 plus 1 is easy peasy. It's 2. Alright, 2 plus 3. So I'm going to put 2 on one hand, 3 on the other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. It's 5. And then 3 plus 0. 1, 2, 3 is 3. That was easy peasy lemon squeezy, right?